Denver is 0-2 and will try to get their first victory over Green Bay, who are perfect through 2 weeks. Predictions are headed our way in a second, but let's run through a few stats worth knowing first. If you watched the end of Denver's loss to Chicago, you saw what Joe FLACCO is capable of. His throw to Emmanuel Sanders in the corner with under a minute to play was a thing of beauty.
FLACCO into the end zone. Sanders is there. Touchdown, Denver!
But for the second week in a row, FLACCO played his best football late in the game. Both of his touchdowns this season have come within the last 3 minutes of the game. FLACCO has to start games like he's finished them the last couple weeks. Denver also needs to restore balance to their offense. The Broncos threw 50 times and ran the ball just 24, a ratio you'd like to see balanced out a little, especially based on what we saw from Royce Freeman.
Royce Freeman with a great run and a first down.
Freeman put up 4.9 yards per carry, but on just 11 carries, finishing with 54 yards. He split the workload with PHILLIP LINDSAY, who had 13 carries for 36 yards, but Freeman was much more effective in the ground game. He could be key this week because Green Bay's defense really didn't have an answer for DALVIN Cook. He bashed them for 154 yards on the ground. That's 7.7 yards per carry. An increased workload for Freeman would also keep Green Bay's pass rush off FLACCO. That's right, we're talking Packers defense.
The ball's out, he's sacked.
Green Bay only sacked Kirk Cousins once, but they pressured him all game. They also picked him off twice. The Packers defense has impressed back-to-back weeks, now having given up a total of 19 points and harassing and rattling both QBs they've faced. Their improved defense changes everything on the offensive side of the ball too. Aaron Jones and the run game become more prominent, and that means Aaron Rodgers doesn't have to do everything for them to win. Green Bay had 34 pass attempts, 33 rush attempts last week. They'd love to see that kind of balance against Denver. Denver on the road in Green Bay, Sunday. Now, time for those predictions we promised.
For the end zone, touchdown, Geronimo Allison.